I get it. There are times in the day where you want to go grab a quick caffeine, whether it's a coffee, a matcha, a tea. You just need a boost of energy. And maybe the day's been wearing on you. Maybe it's midweek and you're just running on empty. And then you still have to make a drive home, pick up family, children, run to errands, and you're dragging. I want to give you a quick breath work. This is called the breath of fire, Bhastrikā Prāṇāyāma. And it is basically 30 breaths. We're going to do fast breaths in and out. Pause, and then we're going to let it out. We're going to start with an inhale, filling up the belly, and let it go about 3/4 of the way. A little bit of air still in the belly. It's going to sound like this. You can't see my belly in this, how the camera is angled. Maybe I'll do another video of this. Basically, in this breath work, a full belly is a sexy belly. And it's the breath of fire because you're bringing that prana energy, that life force energy into your body, your nervous system, your immune system's getting a boost, your circulatory system, all the systems are getting kicked on. And so give this a try. We're going to do it together. All right, our first round in 3, 2, 1, 30 breaths. Hold. Squeeze if you can. And let it go. Take a number breath. Let it go. Inhale again. Feel the belly. Let it go about 3/4 of the way. And begin. 30 breaths. Hold. Squeeze if you can, even down to your toes, fists, belly, jaw, shoulders. Let it go. Last round. Make this one really count. Get as much energy as you can. Fill that belly nice and big. 30 breaths. 3, 2, 1. Hold, squeeze, maybe even your eyes this time, and let it go. I hope that breath of fire has helped you. Let me know in the comments below if it did. It always gives me a shot of energy, and it goes for the rest of the day. Don't do it too many times before bed. You may not sleep, but let me know how it goes, and I wish you the best rest of the day. Bye-bye.